Hey, what's going on, everybody? Leigh Dickey here. Welcome back to my official website, leightdickey.com, and another episode of Leigh Dickey Style. Now, I've just recently gotten back into juicing, and I want to share one of the recipes that I'm coming up with, or at least I've been doing this. This is about day 4 for me, and I'm just experimenting with things and different recipes and just coming up with things on my own. So this is a brand new recipe that I want to try and I want to share with you guys. I've been juicing just to basically make myself feel better, and this is day 4 and it's working. I feel great. So let's just get into making the juice and seeing how it turns out. So as you can see, this is what we're using. It's a small kitchen, so forgive me. I'm going to take a handful of strawberries, a handful of blueberries, and I'm using the magic bullet because simply that's what I have, and I'm a single guy, and it's a single serving, so that's basically all I need. And down here we have the rest of it, which is basically oranges, there's a banana in there, some broccoli, and some string beans. So this should be fun. I mean, I've been doing this is the 4th day in a row I've gotten back into juicing. I'm super excited. So a banana, string beans, broccoli, 2 oranges, and then water, because you need liquid to basically turn it into juice. And this is cold water. I just took it from the fridge. And then we have a handful of blueberries and a handful of strawberries. I'm going to take them out of these containers and wash them. And then we're just going to stick them in a container and blend it all. Well, here it all is. I'm just going to blend it and see how it turns out. And here it is. I'm not even sure what we're going to call it yet. I know it's loaded with vitamin C because of the oranges and strawberries, so maybe we'll call it the Pink Sea Crush. I don't know. Maybe you guys can come up with a title and help me out. But yeah, it's got strawberries, a banana, 2 oranges, blueberries, broccoli, string beans. It's loaded with all the vitamins and nutrients any one person needs, and this is day 4 for me. And to be honest, this isn't really like a challenge thing. It's more like a change, more like a dietary lifestyle change for me, and I'm excited about it. So here's day 4. I guess the Pink Vitamin C Crush is what we're gonna call it for now. Let's give it a taste test. Bottoms up, here we go. It's actually pretty good. Perhaps I should have let it blend a little longer, but you know what? It's got all the vitamins and nutrients I need. And here's a little tidbit. I use this mainly as a post-workout drink because I do have a set of dumbbells and a bench in the other room. And I've been doing this about 4 days now. Like the lifting weights I've been doing for maybe 2 or 3 weeks now. But the juicing I'm just getting back into because I really got into it because my mother tried different recipes and I just wasn't a fan. But maybe it's because she didn't use enough liquid, I don't know, or she just used weird combinations. And I'm not blaming her, I just fell out of it for a while. But I'm back and I'm excited about it. The Pink Vitamin C Crush. Strawberries, blueberries, a banana, 2 oranges, and some broccoli and some string beans. Everything to help you guys out in your daily nutritional lives. Of course, I will leave this recipe in the description below and on the blog post that this will be linked to. So try it out for yourselves and let me know what you think. But this has been day 4 of Leigh Dickey's juicing journey here on leightdickey.com and the Leigh Dickey TV YouTube channel. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And of course, we'll see you in the next one. All right, Leigh Dickey signing off. Peace.